Hi dear students, welcome you all to my Easy Chemistry YouTube classes. Through this video session, I am going to discuss about chemistry syllabus for your third semester, that is DSC 5. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ DSC 1 ಮತ್ತು DSC 2 ಅನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಎರಡನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ DSC 3 ಮತ್ತು DSC 4 ಅನ್ನು ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬರುತ್ತಂತಂದರೆ DSC 5 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ DSC 6 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಥಿಯರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಅದೇ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ DSC 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ DSC 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅನಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರುಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್, absorption of electromagnetic radiation, Beer's law, it is important for 2 marks, Beer-Lambert's law derivation, it is important for 4 marks, deviations from Beer's law, limitations, construction of calibration graph, evaluation procedures, standard addition, internal standard addition, validation parameters, detection limits, sensitivity, dynamic or linearity range, instrumentation, single beam and double beam spectrophotometer, quantitative applications of colorimetry, that is determination of Fe, Mo, Cu, Ti and PO4-3 and respected problems on the basis of Beer law. Next one, Nephelometry and turbidimetry. Introduction, principle, instrumentations of Nephelometry and turbidimetry, effects of concentration, particle size and wavelength on scattering, choice between Nephelometry and turbidimetry, applications of Nephelometry and turbidimetry, that is determination of SO4-2 and PO4-3. And here, next unit is structure and bonding 1. Here structure and bonding 1, in this it includes the point, the ionic bond 2, structures of ionic solids, radius ratio rules, calculation of some limiting radius ratio values, coordination number 3, planar triangle, coordination number 4, tetrahedral and square planar, coordination number 6, octahedral, close packing. Next, classification of ionic structures. Ionic compounds of the type AX, ionic compounds of the type AX2 and rutile structure, layer structures, cadmium iodide structure, CdI2, that is limitations of radius ratio concept, Kapuscinski equation, solvation energy and solubility of ionic solids, numerical problems. Next, covalent bond 2, the Lewis theory, octet rule, exceptions to the octet rule, Sidgwick-Powell theory, review of valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, that is commonly we may say PSEPR theory, effect of lone pairs, electronegativity, isoelectronic principles, examples using PSEPR theory, BF3, BF4-, NH3, NF4+, CIF3, SF4, I3-, I3+, SF6 and IF7 and finally limitations of PSEPR theory. And here third unit is, that is mechanism of organic reactions. Carbon-carbon pi bonds, formation of alkenes and alkynes by elimination reaction mechanism, that is E1, E2, E1CB reactions. Sidzup and Hauptmann eliminations, addition of HBr to propene, free radical addition of HBr to propene, addition of halogens to alkenes carbocation and halonium ion mechanism, stereospecificity of halogen addition, ozonolysis mechanism, ozonolysis of propene, Diels-Alder reaction and mechanism of allylic and benzylic bromination and mechanism in propene, 1-butene, 1-toluene and ethyl benzene. Next, nucleophilic substitution at saturated carbon. Mechanism of SN1 and SN2 reactions with suitable examples, energy profile diagrams, stereochemistry and factors affecting on SN1 and SN2 reactions. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, that is mechanism, sigma and pi complexes, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, acylation with their mechanism, activating and deactivating groups, orientation influence, ortho-para ratio, aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction, SNAR and benzene mechanism with suitable examples. And here, that is last unit, thermodynamics and surface chemistry, unit number 4. In that, first one, you will learn about first law of thermodynamics, that is thermodynamic processes, reversible and irreversible processes, nature of heat and work, internal energy, first law of thermodynamics, enthalpy of a system, work done in isothermal and adiabatic expansion of an ideal gas, numerical problems, Joule-Thomson expansion, relation between Joule-Thomson coefficient and the other thermodynamic parameters. Next, second law of thermodynamics, concept of entropy, thermodynamic scale of temperature, statements of the second law of thermodynamics, molecular interpretation of entropy, calculation of entropy change for reversible and irreversible processes, free energy functions, Gibbs and Hammond's energy, variation of SGA with temperature, volume and pressure, numerical problems, free energy change and spontaneity, Gibbs-Hammond's equation. So these all are the learning points with respect to first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics. Next, third law of thermodynamics. Statement of third law, concept of residual entropy, calculation of absolute entropy of molecules. And last concept in the unit number 4, that is surface chemistry. In that, you will learn about adsorption, types of adsorption isotherms, Freundlich adsorption isotherm, only that is equation, not a derivation, its limitations, Langmuir adsorption isotherm, it is very important point, and Bett equation, derivation is not included. Next, catalysis, types of catalysis and theories with examples, that is intermediate compound theory and adsorption theories, Michaelis-Menten equation derivation, it is important for your examination point of view, heterogeneous catalysis, surface reactions, unimolecular, bimolecular surface reactions, autocatalysis with examples, applications, design process to removal of toxic compounds from industrial wastewater and treatment of potable water requirements. These all your syllabus points. Dear students, here what we will learn, that is first unit is the quantitative analysis, instrumental methods. Second unit is the, that is structure and bonding, and third unit is the mechanism of organic reactions. Fourth unit is the, that is thermodynamics and surface chemistry. Okay, so these all are your syllabus concepts from the ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ RCUದಿಂದ ಇರುವಂಥ ಇದು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂತಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.